Hello guys, so I am Alvaro the Busy Clown. I'm in Almeria. I have a problem with my Hymer Exsis. The third light of the brake is not working properly. I have to replace it, and I got it, but I don't know how to do it. It's been like 2 weeks with this light and it doesn't work because I don't know how to connect it. By the way, Jan, who came from Netherlands to travel around Spain, show here in the camping, and he says, well man, I'm left-handed. I said, no, then you cannot work it. I said, no, I'm left-handed. I mean, I have two left hands because I'm a good electrician. I can help you. Really? So let's work, please. And he's gonna show us how to replace this light.
I think this one is okay. This is the right size for this screw. And then the other way around to loosen the screws.
Jan, you could travel all around the world fixing Hymers, no?
I could have maybe a day job. Now this is LED, and LED have a positive and a negative side. Mostly red is the positive and black is the minus. When you reverse it, no harm is done, it just won't work and nothing is broken. So we have to see how the wires on the original light are. I hope they also black and red. Has the right colors. So we leave this junction, we leave those, and we leave a little bit of these wires, and we make a connection here. So I'll get the tools. These are the tools I use. This is just a normal wire cutter. This is to remove a bit of the isolation, and it has an adjustment screw, so you can adjust it to the right size of the core of the cable, so you don't damage the core. When you damage the core, it breaks. So this is right, and this is a special kind of tool to make the connection. And there are red connectors, there are blue ones and yellow, and they have are for bigger sizes. And this is also a wire cutter, so maybe I don't even use this. I can use this cutter. Let's do that. I use this cutter. 1 and 2. I remove
Take it.
some isolation.
But sometimes you don't know properly which is positive, which is negative, so this is the way to do it. You need a tester, and of course you need Jan to do it. And the tester you put in this position.
Yeah. DC 20 volts, you expect 12, so 20 is enough. And red is the positive and black is the negative. When you connect it to the wires and someone breaks the brakes, put down the brake pedal, it should measure about 12 volts.
Okay, let's do the magic.
Yes. Yeah, again. Yes. When I tested, I put the red probe on the red wire and the black one on the black, and that should be okay. And it was okay because when Alvaro put the brakes on, it was 13 volt. Should the polarity have been switched around, it would have had a minus sign, and then you know, oh, I have to switch the wires. But it is all right, black on black, red on red.
Okay.
We go to connect.
I can break.
I twisted these wires of the new rear light, and now I'm going to get the connectors. There are several types. You can a wire in this, and then with the special tool you can squeeze it, and you can put it on the connector. There are also this kinds and this kind. These are the yellow ones. They're for thicker cables. And the one I use, I do not have with me. I have not the right kind of connectors with me. It's a long thing, but in both ends you put a wire. I don't have it, I'm very sorry. So what I do is I connect both wires, so both black and both red wires, and I put them together in one of this. Then I join it, and I get rid of this piece of metal. So I only have this and this with two wires.
It will work.
Yeah, of course it will work.
Okay.
I twisted both red wires, and I get the wrong thingy. I put it in as far as it goes. Then I take my pliers, and there's a red dot, a blue and a yellow one, I explained. And because this is a red one, I squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. And now they are connected. This eye to attach it to something, it has no use, so I get rid of it if it wants. Yes. So. Okay. Next one, the two black wires. Twist them so they connect well. Here you can see a detail. I twisted the wires and I put on the red connector, which is not the right type for this job, but it will do. And I cut off the metal part of it, and I can use a little bit of insulation tape to be sure that they are not going to get together. Yes? It should work now. It's time to test if all works, so Alvaro is going to use the brake. Well, I have not black and red isolation tape, but the color is not important at all, of course.
Are you sure? You think police will not?
No, the police will not see it and check it.
They don't check the color of the tape.
No, I think not.
Well, wait for 5 more years. They will do it.
They are too busy. So I just take 2 pieces of red tape, used all around the world, red tape. Very famous.
How many Hymer did you repair with that red tape?
90% of what drives around. It's the same size as the old one, so we can use the same screw holes. They're hand tight now, and with the little Bosch electric screwdriver, it's a Bosch. I can use.
You are the boss.
Yeah. With the boss, Bosch, you are the boss. Tight is tight. And another Hymer Omer made happy.
I knew I could do it, you know. Really, it was so easy to me. It's very easy, you know.
In 15 years, when you have to change it again,
I call you again.
You can do it.
Please don't die, okay? It's very easy. Film is very easy.
Yeah, much easier than
do this.
Yeah.
Because you need knowledge, experience, tools. Look, all the stuff he has on his Hymer. Imagine in the house I cannot. So thank you, Jan. It was a pleasure.
Yeah.
So well, let's.
It cost only one cerveza.
One cerveza.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very cheap.
Yeah.
Now,
I'm not expensive.
let's gonna change the tires now.
I'm going. Bye.
I'm not sure if Jan did the right job, so let me check if it's working. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Nice. Now you press and it brakes. It's opposite. When it's on the light, the brakes are on too. Amazing. Thank you, Jan.